Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Naturalee'LaTree Inspires. I know it's like I really don't know what to post these days. There's so much going on. But I am at home, staying at home, as I hope all are staying at home as much as possible and staying safe. Um I'm just preparing dinner. Today is the day before Easter. So tomorrow is Resurrection Day, April 12th. So, what are you all doing? Let's see. Let's see. Let me just show y'all my little outfit for today. My little outfit. I don't know how I can show y'all. Okay, this is my little outfit. But yeah. I got on my house shoes. I'm at home. But yeah, just got on my little blush pink. It's Easter weekend. You know, nothing extra fancy, but still feeling cute and comfortable. And oh yeah, I'm around the house, and let me show y'all what perfume I am wearing. It smells so good. It's like I normally have my favorite that I wear too. If you've been watching me, you know that's my Curve Crush. But I am like feeling so good and loving how I smell right now. Cause it seems like sometimes when you wear a certain perfume, you uh, you know, become, is the word I'm looking for, immune, or you get so used to that smell you don't really smell it. But I'm like smelling this perfume. Let me go grab it, and loving how it is smelling. Hold on just a second. Okay, so yeah, this is it. It is the Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. Oh, it smells so good. I'm like, and I guess I'm feeling really pink. I'm feeling really girly with the blush pink on today. So I just felt like this was a perfect smell for today. I don't know, just get ready, feel good, not going anywhere. Get ready to go nowhere, but that's okay. It's better to be safe. So it's okay. Get up, get yourself, cleaned up, feeling cute, feeling good. It kind of helps the mood, helps the mood. But let's see. Let me show you how cute this little bottle is. Look how cute that is. Some of you probably have already seen this in my I did a trying to explain my describe the smells of my perfumes. I did that video a while back. But yes, this little bottle is so cute. It smells so good. It really does put you in the mind of like a candy, but not too sweet. It's like a comfortable sweet smell. I don't know, cotton candy. It's hard to explain, but it smells so good. And I got this little pouch to it. I just keep everything in this little box, and when I decide I just want to wear it, I just put a little bit on. Then it got this, it has this, this is a lotion. Ooh, let me see. Yeah, this little lotion. But other than that, I'm not doing anything, just around the house. And I decided today, let me see, we did spaghetti yesterday. We've been cooking and eating. We've had spaghetti yesterday with garlic bread and wingdings, which I put in the air fryer. And then we've had tacos, we've had barbecue on the grill. We've just been cooking and eating and cooking and eating. But today's gonna be, my husband, he feel like he can eat tacos almost, or Mexican almost any day. So I put 2 packs of ground turkey on. I'm cooking those down. I'm gonna do for him some tacos, and then I'm gonna do some nachos. I bought this big thing of nacho cheese, so I'm gonna do that. And but yeah, so let me know in the comments, what have you been doing over these weeks? The days are going so fast. Like, I don't know if it's for everyone, but it seems like the time is just going by so quick. And so tell me, what have you been doing to pass your time? What are you doing at home? Who are you spending that time with at home? You know, are you with loved ones? Are you with who you would rather be with at this time? Because I am with who I rather. My husband. The only person who's in here is my oldest son. I wish he was here with my other two sons and we would all be together, but he's at his home staying safe. So yeah, if he could all just be here, I would be totally content. But yeah, just continue to pray for. I'm continuously praying for everyone, and I'm trying to get the boys or someone in here. You know, I know sometimes y'all might get tired of just seeing me. I'm trying to bring a little bit more family interaction into it, but no one is into the camera or like me. They're not that interested in being on the camera. So somebody had requested who requested that? A&W Root Beer had requested a family member to do a mukbang with me, and I don't know who wants to do that with me. If anybody, probably more likely to be Tay. So if I can get him to do that with me, I will eventually. But not much going on. But yes, this smells so good, so good. I know I'm just rambling, but all I've been doing is standing here. I have a window here, and I just look out. You all probably are familiar with my backyard, but let me see if I can show you. Yep. So what else I'm getting ready to do? I'm trying to record it. I ordered some stuff off of Amazon. This is my baby boy senior year, so I have a board. Well, I ordered some stuff like class of 2020, so I'm going to try to do some stuff on outside of the house. I've seen where some good ideas where people have kind of been doing this to, you know, really put a show and celebrate class of 2020, because it is so unfortunate that, you know, that they can't do all the things that they really want to do for their graduation, but eventually later on they'll be able to do some things that they want to do. I hope my head haven't been cut off in the video. My goodness. And so we're going to I did find this one board. So I'm just gonna take, like, I guess I could erase that off or put paint over it or whatever. I'm gonna use some paint on this. But I'm going to do a class of 2020 and do that board up. So I'm gonna decorate the front door. So hopefully I can do that and show you all that. And also I'm going to, I've got some little banner things to hang up. Say class of 2020. I'm gonna hang that on the outside and, you know, just do up some stuff for my baby. And then that's not all I have going on right now. I still be dancing around. I've been doing a lot of TikTok. Sorry, TikTok, y'all. My baby say TikTok is not for me because he think my age, I'm past the years of being able to do TikTok. I think it's for everybody. And also finally do Instagram. So if you find me and follow me on Instagram. And what else? Just staying in touch, socializing with family, trying to stay in touch, make sure everybody is safe. My mom, my dad, my siblings, and because I have quite a few siblings. I have 3 sisters and 4 brothers with my mom, and then 2 additional brothers my dad have. And you know, just trying, and my uncles, and you know, just everybody, cousins, just whoever all I can reach out to and stay in contact with, you know, just hoping, praying for everyone. So, friends and family and everyone, whoever is all watching my video, I appreciate you. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying blessed, and I cannot express enough on how I feel to where I'm kind of irritated with it, to just stay home, stay at home, stay safe, stay blessed. You know, that's just any day. Just, you know, take things seriously. I'm serious. Health over wealth. So, I mean, we gotta live, but you know, I'm sure everybody gets what I'm trying to say on that part. But yeah, I don't really have much more to say right now, but I did. Oh, let me show you this. Let me show you all. This was a cute little makeup. Look, I made this. It is so simple. It is just a bandana, and then take the bandana and you fold it. Okay, here we go. The bandana, and then fold it about like this. So fold it in half, then fold it one more time, and then so in half, then 2 more times. Okay, so it's a total of 3 folds. And then I have two rubber bands. You can do hair ties if you want, but I have 2 rubber bands right here. And so this is how this is looking. You can lay it flat to do it, but I'm just gonna do it like this, and then take 1 rubber band, put it on this end, and take 1 rubber band and put it on this end. So this is a good way to make a face mask. What they call it? Do it yourself, DIY face mask. So this is a good way to do that. So once you have the rubber band on each end, take it and tuck it in here. Like once you fold it over like that, you're gonna be tucking this part in here into the middle of that. And so once you have it like that, you see how it's tucked in there? And then you grab the rubber band that's here and the rubber band that's there, and then you just take it, place it on your face, and pull the rubber band behind your ear. And then you can pull it, you can keep it like this, or if you need it to be a little more covering down up over your nose or your chin, just do it like that. So yeah, that's just a quick, cute way. It doesn't even have to be cute. It's not the N95, or, you know, even though I do have some of those filters that I could maybe slide in here if necessary, but it's a good cover for the face, I think. Not to say they're not saying they're the safest, but just to have something over the face. There go my birds out there. But yeah, so I just think this is a good idea, good way. And then even if you don't want to go through that, you just take it, fold it down, and put it behind your ears. I mean, then tie it behind you. But yeah, you know, tie it to like a triangle and tie it. Let's see. Let me just show you. And just take it, like this. And tie it behind your head. I mean, it's 2 layers like this, but it's 2 layers like this, but the first way I showed you gives you more layers, and it's still not suffocating. I can still breathe out of it comfortably. So yeah. So anyway, I hope that's helpful to someone at this time. So, like I said, just staying home, staying safe. That's a couple of DIY with a nice little bandana. I actually had grabbed like a bunch of bandanas that I had in the closet in a little box. I just pulled those out. These little bandanas were $1 at Walmart when I got them. So, yeah, just a couple ideas. So I hope that's helpful to someone. And I'm just gonna keep on hanging around the house. I haven't even been going out on the deck. I've been looking out the window. But anyway, leave me some comment. Let me know what you've been up to. Let me see. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to see some other ways. Let's see. Turn it like that. And if I think of some other ways, I'll be back. So, thank you. Thank you so much for logging in, coming in, checking my video out. This is Naturalee'LaTree. Until next time, remember, give me a thumbs up the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I will be back with more videos. Until next time, you already know, I will talk to you later.